This is my old air condition compressor. It's a nest. Yeah, the bearings no good. That's what was making a lot of noise when I used to drive my four-wheel drive. That's the clutch. That's what I used to hear every day. I could change the bearings, but the bearings might be stuffed inside. Like my old one, I took to Bathurst to get it fixed. He said, nah, all the bearings were stuck around. He couldn't get the bearings fully out. Yeah. Oh, well, I got a new one in the car now. Brand stinking new one. That's going to last me years. Not second-hand ones from the wrecking yards. That's the worst thing to do. Don't buy second-hand from the wrecking yards. And that's not a boo-boo either.